This is how you create a script that generates leads as a realtor. When creating a script, your mindset should be helping people. This is very important. Share specific experience and expertise, like specific location, buyer, seller, investor, or rent. Okay, let's go to the structure of the script. Starts with a hook, either a question or a general idea of a topic. Second is the body. It supports the hook. This is where you tell the specific story of the expertise or experience. Third is proof. Your tenure or how many clients you helped. Give specific numbers or reviews if you can. Lastly is call to action. Tell them to do something like comment, click a link, book a call or a meeting, and you will give them a free guide or tip. I know this works because I've been helping businesses generate leads and grow since 2021. Okay, comment a specific problem or a roadblock that you're having as a realtor, and I will reply a short tip on how to solve it.